Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, we will learn how can we give a specific name to a system and how can we rename a specific system, or how can we replace a system, and how can we create a copy of a system. Let's start. Okay, so this is our system in project schematic and you want to rename this, so you just need to go to this dot. Okay, and then here you can find a option rename this. Okay, and you can give any name like steel. If you are going to like compare different materials and you want to create three different systems, so you can give the name steel, copper and aluminium according to your requirement. So in this way you can rename this. Let's suppose you want to rename this again, so you will go to here and then go to rename, and now you are able to like rename the material. So you are able to rename the name of this system, so you can give any specific name. Okay, so in this way you can name or rename a system. So the next one, how you can create a duplicate of this system. So you just go to here, click here, and then here you can find the option duplicate, so just click on it. So we have to wait until this process is completed. Okay, so here you can see that our duplicate system is created. So why we create a duplicate system? Why we not just drag this and place it here? Okay, because if we did a static structure analysis and we have completed our analysis, and if we duplicate this one, so it will make a copy of this complete system here. And if we want to change just material, so we just change the material and select the update, then it will update all the system. So we don't need to create like set the material property, we don't need to import or create the geometry. So therefore we can create multiple systems. If we just have minor changes, so we can create a duplicate option. Okay, like this is steel material and this is copper material, so we just here and just rename this, and you can put the name of CO copper or any specific name. Okay, so in this way you can rename the material, so you can rename the system. Okay, if you want to delete a system, so we just go to here, and here you can find an option that will delete this duplicate or any system present in our project schematic. Okay, and let's suppose this is our static structure analysis and this is our static structure analysis, but we want to replace this model with the like the other model, like model analysis, and we want to do some other analysis. So we will come here. Okay, and here we will find an option replace with, so it will give us available option that can be used to replace this model. Let's suppose I want to replace this model with the rigid dynamics or response spectrum or random vibration or transient structure analysis, so I just select this one, and now you can see that this is updated, and here you can find the name like the transient structure analysis. So these are like the easy method how you can rename of a system, how you can create a copy of a system, and how you can replace a system with a specific system. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.